This is it. The day I've been waiting months for. We're gonna get this window replaced. It's quite the operation here. In addition to selling 4x4s, side-by-sides, what do they call them? Side-by-sides. They've got propane. They do all kinds of RV repairs. And, let's see what the QIA events are in December. Well, plenty of stuff going on. Lunch meeting at 12 o'clock for the QIA general membership. Pancake supper on the 13th. Interesting. All right, so let's go take a look inside. So as I said, we've got sales and service for the side-by-sides. And I was talking to the owner and he said that they're finally up to their normal capacity with them this year. Previous couple of years, not so much. So, plenty of RV supplies, pretty much everything you could possibly want. And a pretty nice waiting room over here for people waiting for service, like me. This has been a case of it takes a village. So, you may or may not recall the window got broken when I was in Athens, Texas at the NRVTA and Big Beard Batteries getting my solar and lithium installed. So you can see I got solar up on the roof, lithium batteries, Victron Multi-Plus inverter. I'll try and remember to put a link to that video wherever it goes up here. And in the course of being there was a guy at the RV park, maintenance guy, working on weed eating the lot next to the space that I was in. And he unfortunately and accidentally grabbed a stone and flung it up into the window and it shattered. So that was the end of that. So we got a crate here, which might be my window, I hope. Well, here's part of the RV lifestyle story I didn't know anything about. They have this Veterans Memorial set up in memory of Sam and Jeremy, World War II Army Corps of Engineers. Thank you for your service, Joseph and Garami, in the Korean War. And in memory of Angelo Cacci, World War II Army Corps of Engineers. So we've got in remembrance of those who served, in honor of those who are serving, and in prayer for those who will serve. RV Lifestyles is proud to honor all of our veterans who bravely serve our great country. Dedicated November 11th, 2015. And then we've got some other placards against the back fence there. So, very cool, RV Lifestyles. Well, it looks like we've got some progress. I had to voice over because they were playing music. The window crate is up on the forklift so they can access it easily. And now we got to find out whether or not we got the right window. Well, technically it's the wrong window. See the little red latches right there? That means it's an emergency exit window, which is the style of the one that's in the bedroom. At the back here, you can see this is, it's 3 pieces, just a narrow one at the top, and the 2 split down the horizontally. Yep, just what everybody wants, a giant gaping hole in the side of their RV. But we're gonna get it taken care of. Here's what's going on. This is the window that came out of there. And you will notice that the one that's going in is a different configuration. But at least apparently it fits. So here's the one that's going in. I actually think this will be a better view perspective than the other one. I think. We'll find out. It's going to be what it's going to be. Here we are, all finished up, and you can see the new window here in the living room. I think it's actually going to work out just fine. And the configuration is the same as the one in the bedroom, so that's kind of cool actually that they match up. As always, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you soon.